Welcome to Technologymedia channel. In this video we cover on how to earn money online from the comfort of your home. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to generate income using the power of the internet. In this video, we will explore various methods that can help you start earning money online. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Option 1. Freelancing. Freelancing offers a flexible way to monetize your skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Determine your expertise, create a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding or pitching for projects. Common freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and social media management. Option 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider offering online tutoring services. Platforms like Entech Hub Academy, Digital Gurkha, and Chegg connect tutors with students worldwide. Create a profile highlighting your qualifications and availability, and start teaching subjects like mathematics, languages, music, or test preparation. Online tutoring allows you to set your own schedule and work from home. Option 3. Selling products or services. E-commerce platforms like Men's, Daraz, Sasto Deal, and Amazon allow individuals to sell products or services online. If you have a talent for crafting, art, or design, you can create and sell handmade or digital products. Alternatively, you can offer services such as consulting, coaching, or graphic design. Create a compelling online store or service page, market your offerings, and fulfill orders to start earning. Option 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Join affiliate programs of companies within your niche, create content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, to promote the products, and include your referral links. When people make purchases using your links, you earn a percentage of the sale. Conclusion: earning money online from home has become increasingly accessible. In this video, we explored various methods such as freelancing, online tutoring, selling products or services, and affiliate marketing. Remember to choose an option that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. With dedication and persistence, you can start generating income online from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video on how to earn money online from home.